learning how to stand and pivot your bike, letting the bike lean underneath you, you staying on top of it. So the idea is here, you're going through some tight trails that don't have a lot of support, meaning there's no berm or rut for your tires to get traction on, and you need to put weight down in the right part of the bike, which is the center line of the bike. So what we're going to be doing here is just leaning the bike down, stand kind of on top of the bike, lift loose with our knees just a little bit to get the bike to pivot, and we're going to do that back and forth, nice and slow, nice and easy. As you get better, you can tighten your space up and turn the bike tighter and or